Please subscribe to the eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Good morning, Pattaya. It's my last day. I've got around about 10 hours left on Thai soil. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. So open this window and have a look outside. It's warm. Well, that's it. I'll put this light on, get a bit more visual. That's it, almost over. I'm gonna go and get some breakfast. I'm gonna go to Hungry Hippo. I've never been there for breakfast, but I had a meal there last night. Sensational. So I'll try my last breakfast in Hungry Hippo. And then I've got to nip down to Cybercow Market and buy 2 city shirts, which I should have done yesterday but never got round to. Get back here and then pack and then head to the bus station in Jomtien and head to Bangkok, to the old airport. I'm certain I can stay in this room till 12. So it's 9 o'clock now. Enjoyed my time in this hotel, enjoyed my time in Pattaya, even though I've took it easy the last few days. Worn out, but very enjoyable. Right, get me flip-flops on and let's get to Hungry Hippos for some breakfast. So when I get back from breakfast from the market, I'm going to have another bath. I'm going to milk and enjoy every last second of this room. Have a good soak in there before setting off on the arduous, torturous journey back to the sad old UK. Brekkie time. Flip, flop. Stunning hotel. Highly recommended. Friendly staff. And the best lift I've ever been in. Fast.
Going down. Doors closing. Doors opening.
Hello. Sorry. I'm sorry for messing your floor. Yeah, I'll clean it up for you. What time check out? 12?
What time?
Check out. 12. 11ish, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, thank you. Oh, you mad. Yeah.
What you eat?
English breakfast.
Breakfast. Oh.
Yeah, that's why I'm fat. Yeah.
Breakfast?
Only one.
Only one?
Sword.
Sword?
Mammy fair.
Many fans sword.
Sword. Oh, the giddy kippers. Right, let's go down to Hungry Hippos. They can't believe it, you know, when you come out and you haven't got a girl with you. They think there's something wrong with you. One last look of the morning vendors. Pattaya comes to life. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it for a change. I'll be back soon. Decided. Nothing for me in the UK. Goodbye, Coffin Dodger Bar. honest, I don't know if to travel home in these flip-flops. Sorry, Carp. Because they're not rubbing me now. I've got my plaster on. It might be easier in that airport. Oh, that dog had me heart pumping then, it come running over. I thought, no, not on the last morning. Right, Hungry Hippo. Opposite the two hands massage, which I never got round to. A bit disappointed with that. Get size of that cup of tea. It's that big, I can hardly lift it up. Good start so far. Bloody hell, that's heavy. So that's your breakfast for 109 baht. Big cup of tea, orange juice, slice of toast, beans, egg, sausage, bacon, tomato, and looks like bubble and squeak. See you, mate. Hey? Which lad?
He's in motel.
Oh, the lad's from Manchester. Yeah. Alright. So I've got the golfer's breakfast. Hungry Hippo. 109 baht. Very nice. Especially that bubble and squeak. It was delicious. Got on the spark bus down to the market. At the market. Thank you. I'm rushing a bit because I want to get sorted and have a nice soak in the bath and prepare myself for my travels. Do me ablutions, if you know what I mean. So this is my little lady I said I'd come back to. Said she'd give me a discount last time, has she forgotten? Saudi cab? Manchester City. Medium.
Medium one.
And you have XL or more than XL? Can
We have 3XL, have 1XL.
1XL, I can have a look. I came the other day, you said you can give me discount for 2. I don't want the shorts, just the shirts. So medium for my daughter.
This large, I show this size for you.
You
Medium.
okay? But you have XL, huh?
For 2. With short, eh?
Yeah. What about without shorts? I don't care about shorts.
Okay, I give you 500.
Okay, yeah. I can look
ร้าน
because
ค้าที่ต้องการจะต่อล็อกขอเชิญมาต่อล็อกที่ออฟฟิศได้เลยนะคะขอบคุณค่ะ
everything. This for my daughter. So medium.
ร้านค้าที่ต้องการจะต่อล็อกขอเชิญมาต่อล็อกที่ออฟฟิศได้เลยนะคะขอบคุณค่ะ
XL. Okay. Thank you. I will have 500 now. Thank you. 500 for the medium and an XL. Smart t-shirt. That's smart. Beatles. 289 though. Bit expensive. Nice though. Probably get that for maybe 220, 240. But they're not for bartering these days so much.
ใช่จริงๆค่ะลอยหนีน้ำอ่ะไม่ค่อยอยากจะซื้อแล้วนะคะ
Right, get the old bus back to my hotel. Start packing and I want to have a nice soak in the bath for 20 minutes. Well, that takes 20 minutes to fill up. What a lovely soak in that tub. That's it. Over and out.
นั่นแหละเอาแล้วอย่างนี้ได้เรียกว่า
Why you want to make me
กริลไงต้องเข้าใจว่ากริล